a person that believes in lifelong learning. So I always knew my whole life that I would eventually get my master's degree, but wanted to time it right. I wanted to get the most out of the program.
I decided to look for a program about a year into my new job here as the CFO of the foundation. So prior to this role, I was a CPA for about 15 years. So when I got to the foundation here, all of a sudden my job is so much broader. I really felt like I needed a framework and understanding of just how to do the rest of the stuff that's not technical better, and how to learn more leadership skills and work on those, and to be a more effective manager.
I find more and more with people who I want to work in my office, you need more than just one skill. We don't want someone typically who is just a specialist in one particular thing. The program is tailored to be a practical set of skills and knowledge about how the public sector really works. And so it's the mix of those specific technical skills and these kind of broader perspectives that I think is really valuable for people coming through the program.
What I enjoyed most about the program was the thread of leadership throughout the entire program, and that's really my drive, and that's really the coursework I liked the most.
There's a lot about learning about yourself, your style as a leader, your strength, and those self-reflection, but also learning about just the overall framework of how to do those really soft sort of leadership things to sort of prepare you to be a better leader.
For many people, particularly people who aspire to kind of move up in management within either the government or nonprofit organization, I have recommended highly to them that they participate in the program because I think it will really facilitate what they're looking for in their career. I emphasize that the diversity of the people that you're going to be working with in your cohort. And then I emphasize, where it's relevant, the particular kind of skills that I think you'll get out of the program.
I feel like it changed the way I think, the way how I approach things, and in terms of my role now, I was able to kind of build into doing more and learning more in my role.
The education that you receive from this program just helps you continue to grow as a person and helps you continue to be motivated as a public servant. I think without stopping to do education like I did, you could potentially get stagnant in your position. So this was a real nice rejuvenation for me in my career at that time.
A lot of my classmates have found different jobs and different roles, and I feel like I've found it. I just need to grow into it here, using my skills and expertise that I have to help low-income families and make the world better for everyone. I found what I'm supposed to do here.